THQLSURGE2 is designed for service entrance or sub-panel locations and installs directly onto the bus bar, requiring 2 circuit spaces to provide whole-home surge protection. It meets the industry-standard surge rating for the 2020 National Electrical Code and beyond. Before starting, make sure you have the necessary tools shown here. Start by unscrewing the load center cover and setting aside the mounting screws. Confirm there is no voltage in the load center. Attach the heel of the THQLSURGE2 into the load center mounting rails and rotate the top into place to connect with the bus bar. Strip the white neutral wire from the THQLSURGE2. Keep the connection short and straight. Then connect the wire to the load center's neutral bus bar. Remove the appropriate circuit perforations from the cover, then reinstall the cover onto the load center. Turn on the main circuit breaker and confirm the green LED on the THQLSURGE2 is illuminated, indicating the surge protection device is functioning properly. Installation is now complete.